Maintaining a healthy spine is crucial for overall well-being, and one way to achieve this is through chiropractic adjustments. So, how often should you get a chiropractic adjustment? Chiropractic adjustments involve applying controlled force to specific areas of the spine to alleviate pain, improve mobility, and enhance overall function. While the frequency of adjustments can vary from person to person, there are a few factors to consider. Firstly, the severity of your symptoms plays a role. If you're experiencing acute pain or discomfort, more frequent visits may be necessary initially to alleviate your symptoms and promote healing. However, if your condition is more chronic or less severe, you may require adjustments less frequently. Additionally, the purpose of your chiropractic care plays a role in determining the frequency of adjustments. Some individuals seek chiropractic care for preventive reasons, maintaining a healthy spine and preventing potential issues. In these cases, periodic adjustments every few weeks or months may be sufficient. It's essential to listen to your body and communicate with your chiropractor to determine the appropriate frequency for your adjustments. Your chiropractor will evaluate your condition, tailor a treatment plan to your specific needs, and adjust the frequency of appointments accordingly. In general, many people benefit from regular chiropractic adjustments. These routine visits can help maintain spinal health, improve posture, enhance nerve function, and prevent future problems. However, keep in mind that each person is unique, and what works for one individual may not work for another. To sum up, the frequency of chiropractic adjustments varies depending on different factors such as the severity of symptoms, the purpose of care, and individual needs. It's important to work closely with your chiropractor to determine the best schedule for you to achieve and maintain optimal spinal health.